Welcome back, guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin and ICP. What's going on with my custom gear set? Let's dive in. If we take a look on this weekly chart, you remember the basic pattern, what everybody draw is a left shoulder, head, inverse, right shoulder. So this is a neckline. The main problem with the classic patterns, nobody know how to count correct. Somebody can count like this one by weak candles. In this case, we already retested the neckline, so it's not necessary and we don't have to drop lower than the retest. We got another option. We can drop to the body candles here, and if we open the line chart, you can see the neckline is here, so it can be the test 24,300. So in this case, yes, we can drop. That's why I always use my custom gear set to double check what's going on with these specific coins. And the size of head and shoulder pattern have to be around 34,900. So this is a bit stump chart. So let's take a look on indicators. ADZ, direction. Direction, no signal for accumulation like this one on a weekly. ADZ, we're in accumulation. So it's good. It's more than good. On daily, accumulation on direction. So whales not selling like here, So it's time to accumulate. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can. On a monthly, look, we are in the middle, and yes, we can drop to accumulation stage once again. So this is not the right time to sell your Bitcoin because no signal to sell on a monthly time frame on direction. Signal to sell was here. January, February, March, April 2021, and main strong signal to sell. So now the time just accumulate and wait because September can be really boring months. If we take a look at the market's mood, here the market a little bit calm down. Yes, from extreme red color, we drop it almost 5K, and we are now in the orange zone. Last time orange zone was here, and we pump it almost from the same level, 26%. So basically, if we pump from this current price, 26, it will be the same level. So nothing special. We have to or drop lower than the pump, much higher, or drop and sweep these lows. 19,600, because I told you at 22, 23, 20, even 19, there will be no fear, because everybody is ready to buy in this block. The real fear will be if we drop lower than the lower price in November 2022 at FTX collapse. It was a disbelief on a weekly. On a daily, we're in disbelief mood. Now, based on all this, I don't know, it's a rumors or the thought about FTX can start selling the crypto. Yes, they can start or not. They can wait longer. Nobody knows what they will do, Also, they will not sell all this 3.4 billions in one click. Just go and read. They have to sell it step by step, 200 millions every single week. And it's not a big deal, for the crypto. That's why they can distribute this coin step by step, long time period. If we take a look also on trade on daily, main signal to sell, take profit from sell, signal to buy on grayscale news. It was just manipulation. Now we repeat the story of XRP, and now we're going down. So no new signal to buy, or sell. On the weekly time frame, no new signal to buy or sell. Here was a signal to buy in June 2022. My main idea is still relevant. Even if we sweep like this one, we can go over than 48K. After they approve or deny EDF, we can collapse it down, retest, close some gaps, build some support, and go into new all-time high. And new all-time high can be not even higher than 100,000, And if we take a look on the last indicator is take profit buy line on the weekly, it's 17,800. Do we have a chance to drop to the buy line? Yes, of course we have. Basically, we test it and hold the line, the buy line here, but yes, we have all chance to drop and test 17,800, and only after that pump it higher. Also, the same story, we are now in the middle. We have a chance to go and test 35. But like you remember, it's a bit stump, and if we double check on Binance on a spot, like you remember, we are bounced from fundamental price here, buy line and take profit. Perfect test. And now the buy line on the Binance, it's 15,400. Low. So it's crazy. It's crazy. Based on this FIB, you know what we got here, what I draw it. It's a daily FIB. Here's a pump, here's a top, here's a test of 18 level by FIB. We try and hold a line at 0.86 level by FIB. Here, long time period, we trade from 17 August, over than 1 month. We try and hold a line at 86 level by FIB. So if we breaking out this level and going down, we have to draw another FIB down. And on the daily, like you can see, yes, we curve up. So sooner or later, I think even on the weekly time frame, we start curve up, and the buy line on the daily, it's now 19,200. Take profit 38,200. This is how it works. What about ICP? For ICP, we can delete this range because iMarket, it was the lowest point here, $3.35. Then we sweep low, and I thought it was a deviation, but come on, now we can count this drop like a deviation. That's why this range is invalidated. What we got now and how low we can drop, now we have to double check on indicator set, because down is no support, no levels. We don't know how low we can drop. Previously, when we built here support, we can build some analysis, based on support blocks. Now is empty zone. We can go and even add 1-0 because no support. Nobody know how low ICP can drop. That's why I use indicator set. If we go to ADZ direction, ADZ accumulation, formed a huge divergence here. Biggest divergence, May, zone 23, lowest point, $6.76. Now, we got a divergence on ADZ at the lowest point, $3.03. Over than 50% drop difference. That's why I'm more bullish than bearish for ICP, because divergence on a weekly time frame, it's always a strong signal to buy. Direction on weekly here, accumulation stage. So everything looks good. It's hard to say how low we can drop, but I will show you. I will show you based on take profit. Market mood, disbelief on a weekly. Good time for accumulation, not for scalping or for trading. Trade on, this main signal is still relevant, still in play, So nothing changed, And the last indicator for ICP, it's take profit on a weekly. We trade under fundamental price. Here's a weekly gap, and here's a take profit. Take profit now at 13.55. Then we got these blocks, and I waited 37, and wait, the main target is here, over than 87. So I'm not sure, maybe we'll go in higher, but this block, for me personally, it's more than good to buy, here to out of coin, and maybe leave some free coins for the maybe new highs. Also, how low we can drop here on a daily time frame, I would like to show you. We got this downtrend line, local downtrend line here, test, and we got this downtrend line here. The buy line now at $2.62. Fundamental price $1.96. So most horrible scenario for me, it can be the test of buy line again and going higher. But we already tested one time, second time. I'm not sure if we'll test third time, but like everything can happen. And if the altcoins going down and Bitcoin dominance going up and Bitcoin going even down or up, most likely altcoins will bloody more. That's why iMarket levels 262, 194. For trades, everything's same. You can open a long from 260 with a second or third leverage, and wait $90, for ICP. But of course, every single time we can drop lower. The same story, like we can go higher. Guys, I hope you like this video. Not so positive news for crypto. I hope Bitcoin will hold this line, 0.86 level by fee, but we will see. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.